guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video, I'm actually about to do a apple cider, baking soda, vinaigrettes on my locks. I want to get them super clean. I'm going to let it sit on my locks for a while. I know a lot of people put it in the sink and put their hair in the sink. I don't do all that. What I'm about to do is I'm about to get my Bragg's vinegar, baking soda. I'm going to get some really hot water, not no boiling hot water, but hot water. I'm going to put everything inside of this spray bottle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it all over my locks, starting from the ends to the root. And then I'm going to let it sit for about a good 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to follow it up, get in the shower, rinse it all out. And then I'm going to follow up with my favorite shampoo. You guys know I love this shampoo. Vitamins Hair Growth Support System Natural Beauty. You can use whatever moisturizing shampoo you want to use, but make sure you follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. Okay, guys, let's get started. And if you want, while you're waiting on the water, it don't take long for the water to get hot, but while you're waiting for the water to get hot, like I said, make sure it's as hot as you can stand. Nothing burning your scalp, but as hot as you can stand, because we want it to be as hot as possible. Go ahead and get your hair in sections. I like to put my hair in like about a good 5 sections, like 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then 2 in the very back. And then I could just be able to spray it all on and just let it sit, put it inside of a plastic bag and let it sit. And I'm actually going to get under the steamer. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, the water is as hot as I want it to be. Put a little bit of water in there. And not too much, because you guys know that I'm just filling this up, okay? Okay, now I'm going to add my vinegar. You can be able to add as much as you want. I'm not going to lie and say it's a certain amount to add. Just add your vinegar in there. And now I'm going to add my baking soda. You don't got to get crazy with the baking soda. You don't got to get crazy with the vinegar either. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to give it a good stir. I love when to make that noise. It makes me feel like it's really going to get everything clean. And this is a good agent, you guys, to clean your bathrooms, to clean all kind of things. So just don't think it's for that. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just stick my bottle in there. Get all the goodness and put it inside of this bottle. I find doing it this way so much better. Putting my head in the sink, I don't even like that. Like, I don't even like none of that. So I was like, I'm not going to be doing all that. So now I got me a nice mixture. And what I'm going to do, like I said, you guys, I'm about to squirt it all on my hair, shake it up and put it on your hair. Leave this in here. So just in case you have long locks, you might need some more. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, sorry, the camera angle is crazy. I'm just about to spray this all on my hair. And make sure you take out all your little accessories. So like if you have some accessories in your hair, make sure you take that out also. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put my hands inside of the water and I'm going to get it all in my hair too. So just spray it all in your hair, all over, everywhere. Okay? And you'll be right back. Make sure my main focus, you guys, is on these ends. I want to make sure I get these ends. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take the water and I'm going to put it all over my hair. Because I find this is the best way to get it all in there. Just take it, put it everywhere. Okay, once I get it everywhere, I'll come back. Okay, and I put me some more hot water inside of the sink. And like I said, I'm just actually taking it with my hands and I'm putting it on. That spray bottle that I had, enough wasn't coming out. I got another spray bottle, but I have no clue where it is. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just use my hand. So just get all over your hands. And then once I get it all, not over my hands, get it all on your locks. And then once I get it all on my locks, I'm going to get up under the steamer and put them all up and get them up under the steamer. So go ahead and get all your baking soda, apple cider vinegar, rinse all on your hair. And so it won't take so long. I'm going to come back again, start from the ends to the root. Okay? Okay, so like I told you guys, what I decided to do is I put my apple cider vinegar, I left the apple cider vinegar rinse inside of the sink. I'm not using the spray bottle anymore because unfortunately that spray bottle just don't come out a lot. I had a particular spray bottle, but I don't know where it is. So I'm just taking my hands, putting it in the water and taking it, starting from the root and going to the tip. Each lock I am touching. This is a process that's going to take a while. So if you don't have time to do it, don't do it. Do it on the day. So you can see that. You see that right there? Oil and water buildup. And I'm telling you, it's coming to bring it right to the surface. And just take it, go through the whole lock, and just rinse it. I mean, just go ahead and just take it, touch it, add the vinegar rinse from root to tip. Get all that buildup. And like I said, it's only oil and water because that's all I use, oil and water, but you'll be amazed of how oil and water can get a buildup. Put all your hair in a ponytail, do each one per, and then once you're done, I'm going to get under the steamer. You don't have to get under the steamer, but put you a plastic cap on, let it sit for about a good 20 minutes, and then rinse off. If you want to, once you rinse off, you can go ahead and add your oils and stuff. I don't do that though. Like I let my hair rinse off, air dry, and then the next day I put my oils on. My hair just act better that way. If you find that your hair act crazy once you add water and oil together, try to wait till it dries and then go in and put your oil the next day. So you see how it's coming up to the surface. I use my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, my baking soda, and once I'm gonna let this sit, I'm going to get in the shower and then I'm gonna rinse off. And I'm telling you guys, doing it this way is so much more easier than putting your head inside of a sink. Like that's the most uncomfortablest position ever. You will be so happy trying this method. Just wanted to tell you guys that real quick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar mix inside of here. And I'm going to put it all on my scalp too, so it can get on my scalp. So remember that too. I'll just put it all over your scalp and then give your scalp a good massage. And try not to make no huge mess either, guys. So make sure you are being very gentle. Treat it like you are putting, you know how when you're doing color and you don't want it to get on everything, just be very gentle so you don't make a big mess in your bathroom. I like to always shampoo my hair when I'm out of the shower. Like if I was just shampoo, I would do it all out the shower and then I'll get in the shower and rinse out. I find that is the most easiest way, okay? And what I'm gonna do again, put a little bit of more in here. I'm gonna make sure it's all on my ends and all that good stuff, y'all, because this right here is a major cleaning and you wanna make sure you get everything, okay? Always make sure you get everything. And then put your plastic cap on or, and then get under your steamer if you got a steamer and rinse it out. And you'll be good to go. You'll have nice, clean hair.